Action.
Once again, good morning, my dear parents. How are you all? And dear students, I hope you are all enjoying in your houses. Now, I would like to introduce about our school and our school classrooms. You have seen even our faculty now, right? So this is our school campus. So you can see now we have prepared everything for you. We are ready to do everything, and we are going to start online classes even after this work. Still now we have did work for our school and all. We have painted to our school. You can see now. You can see we have painted our school, and we prepared washrooms, nice washrooms. Coming to this ground, you can see the ground now. We prepared everything for the ground to play, especially to get nice oxygen, and you can enjoy every day, every moment coming to the school. Now, let me explain and let me introduce about the play equipments. Let's tell about. Now, I would like to introduce about these play equipments. These are play equipments. We can play by this. See, this is the play equipment. We can this side one can sit, and the another side another boy can sit, and this side you can sit, and the same way you can enjoy whenever you are getting a free time, and when you are getting a break like PAT time, and when if you want to relax, you can just play on it. This is, and the next week, and I will just show you another play equipment for you. So this is a very interesting equipment. You can, if you sit here, it will just rotate like this, and you can just, whenever you want to just relax, you can relax by sitting here, and you can think more ideas, and you can study very well. Okay, now I would like to tell about another thing. This is another equipment. Whenever we feel little scared of anything, if you sit here, and you can just come down from here, and you can play. This is one of the play equipment. My dear students, I think you have seen everything last year. So this year we are going to plan different things and different activities. Especially you can see the ground, and you can see the play equipment, you can see the building. And this year we have did so many works, and we are even doing so many other works for you all, to develop your skills and to improve your knowledge. This year we are going to start a new classes for you and new activities. Now we can see this here, this side. This is also one of the play equipment. You can sit here, and you can just play. See, now I will just tell you, whenever you want to feel, just you can sit and you can just relax. You can study and you can play. So if you see, everything is good. You know everything about our school. Now let me introduce about the small vehicle which we have in our school. We have a vehicle. We have vehicles. Don't worry. We have the bus, and we have the van. This is our school van. Okay, this is our school van. So this van is especially for the local people. It will go and collect all the people and bring all the people to the school. So this is a small vehicle which will go near to our school. Okay. Now let me show our school washrooms. So you can see the playground here. Nice plants, and this is all the plants. No, don't worry. You can play. You will get more oxygen, nice air for you, especially nice air for you. So this is called washroom. So you can go washrooms here neatly. You can we have tap system. Once come, let us go here. So we have nice washrooms here, nice washrooms. So these are washrooms for girls, and these are washrooms for boys, and these are the taps. So we can wash our hands here. We can wash our hands, we can wash our plates, and especially coming to the washroom sites, we will not only send everyone together, we will send just according to the time and according to the system. Girls will go that side. Not only all the girls once, they will go. We will give some time for the girls, and after the girls, we will just give time for the boys. And we have another washrooms outside of this place, and this that is well, which we will give water for that. No need of going to there. We can on the motor, then we can just go into this water. Then let us see into the washrooms. This is our veranda. Coming to this side, see now, students can sit here. They can write exams, and they can make anything. Whenever we have free time, we will have meditation time. Meditation time, you can sit here and we will conduct all the tests for the students here. This is the veranda. Let's come here. Just you can show the veranda here. So this is veranda. I will show the veranda. No, this is veranda. You can see here. So that side even we have classrooms. You can see that side also. So this is all. So that is the entrance gate we will enter to, and the students will not go outside. We will not going to send any student outside. So this is our classrooms. So we have nice classrooms. We kept just let us see what's the classroom. So we have a classroom. This is for classroom. We will have fan here. We have fan. No, there is no power now. So this is the board and this is classroom. So we are ready to build the benches. So now let us see the computers lab.